We are here in Rockbridge, Ohio at the Boho Shipping Container Airbnb, and I'm so excited to show you inside. Let's go.
We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More. We're a young married couple traveling all over to find the most unique Airbnbs out there and share them with you.
So when you first arrive, you drive down your own private gravel driveway, park, and come down this sweet gravel path that is lit at night, and you walk up to this incredible shipping container home. It is 2 shipping containers stacked on top of each other, and the inside is the bomb. When you first walk inside, you see this wood-burning stove to keep you nice and cozy during your stay. It is sitting on top of this hexagon tiled backsplash that extends all the way into the kitchen, and it is so cool. We are right next to this cozy velvet chair in a nice little nook that has lots of trinkets, and I would spend hours here reading a little book. And then coming into my dream bathroom. This bathroom is so pretty. I am in love with it. It has a clawfoot tub with a gold shower head and a skylight that opens up and gives so much light in here, with plenty of windows and a sweet curtain. Right across from the tub is the vanity with this marble top, bowl sink, beautiful lighting, and this wallpaper with the flowers. Very nice. And then this, I know he loves.
That door is awesome.
He loves this door, loves big slabs of wood, and it glides very nicely to the right and reveals your laundry. So you can do your laundry while you're here if you have an extended stay. Right here behind this pink door is the restroom, so you get to have a closed off bathroom. And that's it for the bathroom, so we're gonna come into the kitchen. Hayden and I love the colors of this kitchen. It's got these green cabinets, white backsplash, and above it is pink walls. That is like the definition of Hayden and I. Green and pink, our favorite colors. So we love it. It's got great finishes with the gold and the marble top, huge sink. There's a stove with an oven and then a Smeg refrigerator. They also have their own BoxHop brew, so you can make their coffee while you're here. And of course, they have a French press so that you can do that. And this kitchen is fully stocked with plates and bowls and utensils and everything that you can need to cook a meal. They also have a dishwasher so you can wash your dishes afterwards. And under here is a toaster and microwave. Right on top is a little bench for extra seating and relaxing. And then these floating shelves have books, games, a record player for entertainment, and lots of knickknacks. It's so cute in here. Let's keep moving. And above the fridge is the TV for entertainment, so you can watch some movies. Over in this corner of the shipping container is the dining room seating area. They've got an L-shaped bench that actually folds out into a bed, so if you want to bring some extra guests, you definitely can do that. We are also loving the windows and scenic view that you have out of the shipping container into the woods. This is a perfect location to hang out. Now we are going to go upstairs. Believe it or not, they have fit a king bed up here at the top shipping container, and it is such a cozy spot because they have windows and a skylight to enjoy. Plus, I love the pillows, decorations. I'll go on and on and on and on about that. Back here is something special. It's a deck. This is an awesome deck. Beautiful view of the nature and the trees. I am loving it out here. Could you hang out here with me, Hayden?
Definitely good.
Oh, I can hang out with you too. This is such a cozy spot.
It really is. I love it.
That is all for the inside, and now Hayden is going to show you out back.
Out back here at the Boho, they've got a grill. Back behind me, they've got a little fire pit area with some nice chairs. I love how the fire pit is actually painted white to match the shipping containers themselves. And I really like that they put it in kind of this stove rather than just an open fire pit. I think that's really unique and really matches the style of this Airbnb. Over here to the left, of course, they've got a hot tub, plenty of room for 4 people. So if you did decide to bring another couple here, this really would be the perfect spot to hang out. And then over here, they have a little net hammock to hang out in. This is one of those things that they didn't have to do, but I think it's just an added bonus, and that's what's really special about all 3 of the BoxHop locations is the hosts have really pulled together everything possible to make this the best experience. Unfortunately, Nikki and I are not actually staying here tonight. We just had the opportunity to come and film and create some content for them, but this is definitely one of those places that we're gonna come back and stay. And then something special about today is it's actually snowing. This is the first time we filmed an Airbnb in the snow, and we can't wait for many more.
The Boho is such a beautiful spot. I'm absolutely in love with this place, and I'm so excited that we got to come and film it. My favorite thing about this Airbnb is the decorations and the coloring. The pinks, the greens, the golds, the black, the white, everything is so aesthetically pleasing, and they provide every amenity that you could need for a comfortable stay here.
If you want to know a little more about the vision and the build of this shipping container home, you can go check out the owner's YouTube channel called The BoxHop, where they share everything. This Airbnb is located on 20 beautiful acres out here in Ohio, and they actually have 2 other Airbnbs on this same property that we got to stay at and film. So if you want to go check out those videos, we'll link those below. But if you want to stay here at the Boho, we will leave a link in the description below. We are definitely going to come back and stay at this one because it is beautiful all throughout, and I love how they put the top container on diagonally. The shape is just so neat. But if you're a host with a really unique and amazing short-term rental or Airbnb, and you would like us to feature your place, you can reach us at journeymore.com by filling out the contact form. We would love to work with you. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any new videos, and follow along on our adventures. And also, please like the video. All those things really do help our channel to do well and to grow. But for now, come journey more with us,
And
we'll see you next time.